guys, it's Kelly from Cards by Christine here with you on a Tip Tuesday to share with you a tip about how to keep your coordinating dies and stamps organized. So Stampin' Up! Has so many great coordinating bundles, but sometimes it's hard to know what goes together. Like for instance, here we've got the Coming Home bundle with the Coming Home stamp set and the Home Together dies. Now, typically the names are quite similar, and when you would see them together, you'd obviously know Coming Home and Home Together would go together. But sometimes you may have your stamp set and wonder, oh, man, I just can't think of what these dies are called. So in the catalog, at the end, they've started putting these reference pages with a quick at-a-glance look as to what stamp sets are in the catalog. And then they have the same for the dies and, well, everything else. But that is what we are focusing on. So you can clip the back of your catalog and stick the Coming Home stamp set little thumbnail on your Home Together dies. So now when you grab your dies, you know what stamp set, and vice versa. On the inside of your stamp case, or, I mean, you can put it anywhere, your Home Together dies, now you know if you've got your Coming Home stamp set that the coordinating dies are the Home Together dies. So a quick and easy little tip for you on how to keep sane as your stamping collection continues to grow. I hope you have a great Tip Tuesday, and I will see you again on Thursday.